Hey everyone. Before we jump into the new features that we have added this trimester, let me quickly introduce you to what PT-GUI is all about, especially if you're new here. So PT-GUI, the penetration testing GUI, a graphical user interface, is more than just a toolkit. It's your starting point if you're new to the world of ethical hacking. And originally it was called Deakin Detonator Toolkit, and which makes it easier for the beginners who are new to the pen testing world. So instead of throwing yourself into the wall of command line um, terminal commands where you manually write all the commands into the terminal, the PTGUI helps you with powerful tools that has been integrated into uh, a tool itself with a graphical user interface. So it makes it easier for you to learn how cybersecurity works and how security professionals think and act like. So right now, PTGUI includes 75 tools, 13 attack vectors, and 12 step-by-step walkthroughs, all designed to guide you through a real-world situation where you might face a um, ethical hacking situation. So this trimester we have focused on making it even better for learners, improving tutorials. We have done refining the tools. We have rethought how users might move through the app. So overall, it makes your user experience better. With that in mind, let's check out what's new in PTGUI. Once we run our Deakin Detonator Toolkit, we are welcome with this disclaimer page. This is made or this feature is been added just to make sure that this tool is being used for educational purposes only and it is not being misused for any illegal issues. So once we click I understand, we end up on the home page. So based on the feedback from previous trimesters, we have tried to make this toolkit more beginner friendly. So the people who are like completely new to pen testing and testing itself, so people they get a basic idea about what to expect and what simple tools they can use to get them going in the field of pen testing. So we have added a beginner section. So once we enter the beginner section, you can always see the lessons. There are like multiple lessons as of now. You can start any lesson and get a basic understanding of what's happening inside pen testing and how you can use this detonator toolkit itself for learning pen testing. So that's one of the features we have added this time. Apart from that, we have also added tools and attack vectors, which I will be talking shortly. Before that, I would like to talk about the two main features we have added this time. One of them is the cybersecurity news. So this section, as the name says, is completely for the news feed. You can always get the happening cybersecurity news around the world on your feed. It keeps on updating. As you can see, there's the last updated time. It keeps on updating. You just need to click that tab and give it a read. If you want to know more about any of the news that you see here, it opens up in your browser. You can read more about it and know more about it. Just in case if you don't have time but that news fascinates you, you can always save it and come back later and give it a read. As you can see, it gets saved locally in your system. So that's one of the main feature we have added this time. The second feature I would like to talk about is AI scenario training. Since AI getting popular throughout the world, we decided to implement AI with our pen testing toolkit. So we have used GPT-4 model that runs in the background through API. So if you're not aware what you're supposed to do, and if you want to get a basic understanding and how to start and where to start, this does it all for you. You just need to press the button and wait. So you can always select a difficulty level and you can get a tag vector. It's not necessary to choose our tools. If you're not sure which tools you use, AI will do the job for you. You can always depend on that. So once that's been created, we can uh, look at the user guide that has been given. This tells you how you can set up the API keys from OpenAI platform, and we also have a detailed tutorial about how to get the API keys and how to use it in your detonator toolkit. So, so as you can see that it has generated a scenario for you. You can see there's context, there's objective, there's attack vectors, there's recommendations on which tools you can use inside the toolkit itself. And you come down, you can always see the step-by-step hints. It says that you can use the SQL map, then you can proceed with the nmap. So it gives you a complete understanding or a basic understanding about where to start and what to do. And you can always write your findings and reportings down and save it into your local system. So that's the two main features we have added this trimester. That's AI training scenario and cyber news. We also have some other features as well, but due to time constraints, I would like to talk about the tools and attack vectors we have added this time. So we added quite a lot of tools, like Net Discover, Nuclei. So I'll quickly show the working of Net Discover tool. It's a network interface based tool. So we will go with the basic network interface. We'll just click start scanning. It needs your root access. We will click authenticate. As you can see, it keeps working in the background. It is scanning through IP addresses. It's all happening inside a toolkit. So this is one of the tools we have added this time. We also have added few attack vectors. It's easy as you see. You can just click go and it's put in your target IP and it's good to go. So these are the things we have added this time. Apart from that, we have fixed bugs. We have made changes to the GUI to make it more user friendly. Um, we have tried to make it more beginner friendly. So that's all about the DDT toolkit and updates we have done this trimester. Thank you.